How to get first job on Upwork. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can get your first job on Upwork. So to do that, first of all, you'll have to simply create an Upwork account. So if you don't know how to create an account, I'll have a link in the description. You can simply check that video out. I have a separate video on how you can create or sign up for Upwork. I'll leave the link in the description. You can simply check that video out. Now, once you've created an account, you'll have to basically complete your profile. So once you've completed your profile, you will be taken to this page where it'll provide you jobs you might like. So you can sort them by the best matches, the most recent ones over here. So you can simply go through all of them over here, and also you can search for a specific job over here. But for now, let's simply say that you are well suited for this job. You have the needed requirements and you have the expertise on this job. So if you want to apply for this job and get your first one, simply tap on it and then tap on the option apply now. Now once you've done that, you will be able to see details such as this is an intermediate level job. You'll have to propose your terms. It is a more than a 6-month project length. You'll also see the job details, the skills and expertise required, the terms. You can choose how you want to get paid. You can enter the descriptions such as how many milestones do you want to be included. And if you want to do by project, you'll have to enter your bid amount, the 10% freelancer service fee, and finally the total amount you'll get. You'll have to select your project duration. You can enter additional details such as your cover letter and attachments by which your client will favor you. So if you want, you can also boost your proposal. But if you don't, once you send 16 connects for this job, now the number of connects will depend from job to job. And by default, you will get 50 connects. So you can simply use 16 connects for this dot, and the remaining 34 connects you can use it for other jobs and you can apply for them. But once you get this job, you will have successfully gotten your first job on Upwork. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.